Hey, this is Mark Hess, and what I'm about to show you is max organic traffic. This is a system that I've used in my business to generate over 20,000 visitors, made over $16,000 the past 51 days driving traffic to a niche site using this. You could use this to get traffic to all of your websites, to clients' websites. I mean, this solves the problem for you. It's 100% free to implement. There is no added cost to do any of this. It uses ChatGPT, or you can use Claude, or you can use Gemini, or you can use Perplexity, or DeepSeek, or you can use all 5 of them, and this works perfectly. It uses Google ranking logic, and it wraps it into 4 prompts, and you could see exactly what you're getting on this page. You could see how detailed these prompts are. They take everything into account, and what you end up with is a human article that reads absolutely awesome. It's a true authority piece of content. And what I did was I screen capped this content right here so you could see the output. All you do is copy and paste. You don't have to show your face. You could do this in the basement. You could do this watching Netflix. There's no learning curve. There's no recurring fees. It's just a lifetime of free traffic. And this isn't going to stop working, folks. I mean, this is the exact thing that Google is looking for. And not only is Google looking for it, when people actually land on this content, they are going to want to buy from you because you created a ton of authority through this content, and it works with absolutely any keyword. But I show you the exact keywords to target that are competition free and getting traffic. You load up a site with this content and I dare you not to make money. You will accidentally make money with this. You follow the prompts, copy and paste. This is something that I'm doing. You could see exactly how logical the whole thing is. And then at the end of the content, products, tools, and resources. You just link to your sales pages, to your affiliate offers, to your own sales pages. You can build up your YouTube channel. You can build up Facebook using free Google traffic. It doesn't get any easier than this. You don't need backlinks. You don't need to learn SEO. You don't need anything complicated. It's not theory. It's not some trick. It is a dead simple AI-powered system that will unlock free ongoing traffic to your websites, guaranteed. Okay? It doesn't get any easier than this. I don't want to hear anything about traffic problems and I can't get traffic. This right here, this system is how you get traffic into your business using free Google and Bing traffic sent directly to your site. No more messing around. Just do this over and over and over again in any niche. You could do this with a brand new site and start getting traffic. Click on the Buy Now button below and you will get instant access to max organic traffic. Put it to use instantly within your business. It's free to implement, no recurring costs, no tricks. There's nothing up my sleeve. If you have an index finger, you can do this. Hell, even if you don't have an index finger and you control your mouse with your tongue or a Neuralink, you could do this. That's how easy it is. So click on the Buy Now button right now. Stop messing around. Start getting free traffic to your site.